teams in an import flavored conference o laden conference, may dalawang game na back-to-back na pagbibigyan basta maganda yung dahilan na walang import. Pero pagdating ng pangatlo, ay may multa ka na.
Okay.
Pero ang balita din daw niya, lumabas na yata ang clearance. Kaya, alam mo, this season, ngayon lang din naman talaga pumasok itong Titan as Hudson tatapboard yung pagtapos, no?
Pati yung kumpiyansa, kitang-kita mo, laglag ang balikat itong mga manlalaro ng Titan Ultra. And of course, there's also frustration dahil pwede silang tumira sa 3, pero 11 attempts.
At the right spot, play of the half natin yan. Natin sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Look away pass by Juan Gomez de Leano. And we never doubted the ability of Arana to catch the ball while he is actually...
Sa kabila naman, Titan continues to shoot blanks. Arana tied up by Saonya. Nakawala! And one pa!
Kaya-kaya talaga pumunto sa ilalim. Hindi nagpapanik. Waistline. Fall-away jumper by Arana. He will get his bonus free throw after this timeout.
Mikey on the move.
Ito yung sinasabi natin. No? Oh, kita mo. Short pa rin eh. Pero alam niya na may kukuha ng offensive rebound sa kanyang koponan. It's exactly what Coach Renzi Bahar has been preaching. Shoot threes. But this time around, they're knocking it down.
Dapat no conscience. Walang hesitation as Arana receives it from Abueva. Real test para sa Converge will come on Wednesday against Terra Firma as we meet our best player of the game natin sa atin ang Sports Plus.
What we like is really his dominance underneath the rim. He just wanted to demand that rock because he knows that he is going to be unstoppable. 14 points, 5 rebounds, and a 60% shooting. Not to mention, of course, his 3 assists. A lot of great players displaying what they're capable of doing here for the Fiber Xers to secure Game 1.
Justin Arana is our player of the game. Congratulations. Just pagdating mo dito, sabi mo, bakit ako? Parang hindi mo ine-expect. Ano ba yung nasa isip mo throughout this game?
Siyempre kasi maganda yung nilaro ng buong team eh. So yun nga, big credit sa mga teammate ko. Talagang nag-step up lahat.
Ano yung masasabi yung biggest adjustment na pinagtuunan nyo ng pansin during the break na nakita mong nagbunga na agad in this first game of Converge?
Siguro yun nga, yung naglalaro kami as a team ngayon and syempre alam na namin yung role ng bawat isa.
Alam naming maraming taga-suporta rin na ang Converge. Ano pa yung mga gusto mong ipakita in the next few games?
Siyempre, ibibigay lang naman, especially ibibigay ko lang yung best ko every game. And siyempre, yun nga, kung ano yung challenge, talagang ano lang namin, i-grab lang namin. So yun, maglalaro kami as a team and siyempre, one game at a time lang.
Speaking of Converge fans, meron ka bang mensahe? Go ahead, Justin.
Nagpapasalamat kami siyempre sa Converge fans na walang sawang sumuporta sa amin. Kahit malayo yung Montalban, nandito lagi sila. Yun, siyempre, sobrang thankful kami para sa inyo tong panalo na to.
Thank you so much, Justin.